Welcome to this video. My name is Mark Scythian. The date today is May 21st, 2023. So if you're dealing with a DC series parallel electrical circuit where a test question asked to calculate the total current of the given circuit, assuming that the total resistance of the circuit has already been calculated, we can start by accessing Ohm's law, which is voltage E is equal to current I times resistance R. So all we need to do is just solve for I. So we would just simply divide the voltage into the resistance to solve for I. So we need to focus on the total voltage in this case, so 36 volts, then divided into the total resistance of the circuit. So the correct answer to this test question is 1.09 amps of total current.